Hakalai trik unai wing ajar RPR ka Aspire Meghalaya beratip kum ka district talent event kala pelong ya ka jingjiet iki Khynnah samla na ki school baper kum juru na ka Snaps college jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills district ki badan ni ki sap ki phong na ka banta ki Khynnah school bandruai ban shat ban tem ka ba kila pelong ha nativity hall maukrwat Southwest Khasi Hills district ha ka ba uba reniktan ning do tongkhar MLE ka maukrwat ulalong kumukong san. Ya kini ke program la pelong hagi khat artli ke district kabala sedang nadu benai leber azar RPR ya kabala bay pisada ke sarkar Meghalaya ha kaba khat south li ke school la shem hapok ke Southwest Khasi Hills district lingba kini ke program jong ke Aspire Meghalaya Shibun ki Khynnah samla kila yo lat man Pynpaw ya la ka jong ka sap ka bakidon ha kani ka sngi kala long shisha ka ba isong kun ha ka bala sakhi ki spa ngut ki pajba haringkat ka jingadon lang MLA ka mau kerwan uba renikton ning dot tongkhar menteri ka tanat PHE haringkat ka jingadon lang u BDO ka mau kerwat blok uba ai laun nyang kumju na ka tanat district sports officer Southwest Khasi Hills district.
Happy I get this privilege to stand amongst you, the talented people. We have here the talented young people from avenues. Thank you so much, Kongdafi, Pamak, and all the young talented from avenues. I'm also very happy to stand here with you, dear teachers, who are the guiding stars of the talent. But most importantly, I'm very happy to stand among you, dear students, because you have shown, you have proved the world, you have proved to us that you are talented. I want to give a special thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, Swkhd. Through him, who had this dream to promote young students and to hunt the talent that has been bestowed to each and every student in the state of Meghalaya. I want to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister, who have seen this importance to hunt the talent of our dear students in the state of Meghalaya.